Alright guys, Bitcoin, our lovely cryptocurrency, the infamous inflation hedge, has been going on a squeeze up recently going on here. So what's gonna happen here next here for Bitcoin? Is it going higher or not? Now, since my previous Bitcoin video, we took this long here as this was a perfect bear trap. As we can see, we went below these lows, taking the lows, taking that liquidity, making everyone believe again that we're going lower. Perfect bear trap. Everyone again was on Twitter being bearish, calling for lower prices, and then we got all these shorts piling up here and then we squeezed them, which is important right now, guys, because this move here is mainly fueled by short squeezes. So a lot of people have been trying to short this move here when we just keep going higher. Now there is just one concern right now here. Now we have this major resistance coming in around the 28k, as well as we have this liquidity here at this peak and at this high here. Now these are the major levels right now. We have this 28k and then we have one more level here that for those that are not in longs yet here on Bitcoin. Now we have this level here which is around that 26,500, 26,400. Now we bounced yesterday from that level and we got this squeeze up again here, but the problem, that the concern that I have here is that is this another lower high? Because now right now what we are seeing on Bitcoin is just a series of lower highs. Since that 32k high here, we just been putting in lower highs and lower lows. Now we are seeing this one here happen, and this possibly could be another lower high. Now the problem here and the thing that I'm seeing is that we have the S&P 500 just opened right now. We've been waiting for it to open and make my video. We can see the S&P as well has been on a downward move now since August. We've been on a higher high, higher low structure as well since that previous all-time high. A lot of times Bitcoin follows the S&P 500, and it is very important to as well keep an eye on the S&P. As we can see now today here right now, we're seeing the S&P bleeding, and if we go back to the lower time frames, we're seeing the same thing now here with Bitcoin happening right now. Now the point here, Bitcoin, we had this Monday's high taken today, and we ranged for a while here waiting for the S&P open here, for the New York open, and as soon as we dumped, now we're seeing Bitcoin dumping as well. This is as well a signal of the higher time frames of what's going on here. Now if we go back to that 4 hour, what we can see here now is we're still waiting to know if Bitcoin gonna take this high and we could make another higher high. This is the only thing that we want to see here on Bitcoin happening. We want another higher high going on here. Now so far we're still going onto that uptrend here on lower time frames here on Bitcoin. And now there are two plays here in mind. Is either this is another lower high on Bitcoin and then we go lower from here. So my next play here on Bitcoin is I'm either waiting for this area here to get hit around the 25,800. Now here I'll be interested into taking some longs back toward this high, or either we go from here now towards this high. This will be a major resistance level, and as well as we have this liquidity, a lot of confluence here. So I do expect the price to retrace from here, so I'm gonna possibly here going to take some shorts from here. Now that's the play so far here for me for Bitcoin. Now that's what we are seeing. Now the major question is this the high? Now if we retrace back here, I am going to look for longs, as this is a major support as well here on BTC, and then I'll see if Bitcoin either puts in a lower high from here and then we go lower, or we go towards that high, and this will be my take profit here for that Bitcoin long, and as well look at taking some short. Now as I said, the higher time frame is looking pretty bad right now here for Bitcoin. It is not looking good, guys, now so far, as we have this structure going on, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and as well on the S&P we have that going on, that lower high structure going on here on the S&P, which is not good. Now as we can see, this lower high, S&P is not looking good. This is the next red day here going on. Now we just opened that Tuesday, and the S&P is looking heavy here. Possibly we could see some retracement, and if that happens, now we could see a major retracement from Bitcoin, and we could finally see those lows, those juicy lows that we all been waiting for. Now for all the people that missed this whole move up here on Bitcoin, we could get some levels here around the 20k now, and this would be the juicy dip that we all been waiting for here, to load up on some altcoins and get ready for the bull market. So that's the major plan here on the higher time frames as well. But nonetheless, if you're just day trading like I do, I just like to day trade, I forget about all these things. Now my plan is still to look for that 25,800 for longs and then 28k for shorts. So that's the plan here, guys. Now remember, there is a competition going on right now on FairDesk. 1.8 million USDT for grabs for the winners, as well as 4,000 daily bonuses for top 10 traders. You don't need no KYC, no VPN to join, and as well a huge bonus on your deposit going on in this exchange. I will leave you the link in the description. Now you want to keep an eye on that 25,800 level on BTC, on that 28k. Those are the most important levels right now going on this week on Bitcoin. So that's your weekly update here on Bitcoin and what I am doing now. As well, we can see here on the RSI we have some strength going on here, which is important as well. We can see the RSI as well is going on that uptrend. Now we have a higher high on the RSI, as we can see here, but not yet here, which is bullish now. So far here we are in the middle of nowhere. We need some more confirmation going on for Bitcoin. Now here I'm not doing anything, no longs, no shorts right now, just waiting for what can happen here. Now either shorting these levels or longing around that 25,800. Now I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, remember you can leave them in the comment section or join my Discord. The link is in the description. It is for free to join. I'll see you on the next video, and remember, nothing is financial advice. Cheers.